Finding the right mouse doesn't have to break the bank. The best inexpensive mouse combines smooth tracking, reliable performance, and ergonomic comfort without the premium price tag. Ideal for students, professionals, and gamers who value quality on a budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Logitech MX Anywhere 2S. The Logitech MX Anywhere 2S is a compact and high-performance wireless mouse designed for professionals who demand versatility and precision. Built with Logitech's dark-field high-precision tracking, it delivers exceptional accuracy on virtually any surface, including glass, with a DPI range of up to 4,000. This makes it perfect for those who frequently work on the go, whether in an office, cafe, or hotel room. The mouse supports Logitech Flow technology, allowing seamless control over up to 3 computers and enabling users to copy and paste text, images, or files between them effortlessly. One of its standout features is its fast charging capability. Just 3 minutes of charging provides enough power for an entire day, while a full charge lasts an impressive 70 days. The sculpted shape fits naturally in the hand, offering comfort during long hours of use. Additionally, the scroll wheel switches between hyper-fast scrolling and precise click-to-click control, making it suitable for everything from browsing web pages to editing documents. Although it lacks a USB receiver and connects only via Bluetooth, its reliability and responsiveness make it a dependable choice. Overall, the MX Anywhere 2S is a premium, portable mouse that combines comfort, functionality, and superior wireless performance for productivity-driven users. Number 2. Dell MS700 Dell Pair. The Dell MS700 Dell Pair is a lightweight and innovative wireless mouse crafted for portability and convenience. Weighing just 56.9 grams, it's one of the lightest mice in its category, designed for users who are constantly on the move. Its slim and twistable design makes it exceptionally travel-friendly. Simply twist to power off and stow it neatly in your bag or pocket. The mouse supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, ensuring a stable and responsive wireless connection without the need for a dongle. What sets it apart is the ability to pair with up to 3 devices and switch between them effortlessly with a single click. Perfect for multitasking professionals who work across laptops, tablets, and desktops. The Dell Pair technology simplifies the setup process, allowing secure pairing with just 1 click. Its smooth, responsive tracking ensures accurate cursor movement whether you're working on spreadsheets, presentations, or browsing the web. Despite its ultra-thin design, it doesn't compromise comfort and offers a smooth scrolling experience. Ideal for frequent travelers or users who value minimalism and efficiency, the Dell MS700 Dell Pair combines smart design, seamless connectivity, and portability in a sleek package that complements modern workspaces perfectly. Number 3. Logitech Signature Plus. The Logitech Signature Plus M750L is a smart and ergonomic wireless mouse designed to balance comfort, functionality, and quiet performance. Featuring Logitech's Smart Wheel technology, it allows precise line-by-line scrolling for detailed work and super fast scrolling for lengthy documents and web pages. The mouse's contoured shape, soft rubber side grips, and thumb rest ensure long-lasting comfort, making it an excellent option for extended work sessions. It connects via Bluetooth and supports easy switch technology, allowing users to pair up to 3 devices simultaneously and toggle between them seamlessly. The Silent Touch technology reduces clicking noise by 90%, maintaining a peaceful environment in shared or office spaces. Moreover, its side buttons can be customized through Logitech Options Plus, giving you quick access to shortcuts like copy, paste, or backs-forward commands. Power efficiency is another highlight, as it runs up to 24 months on a single A battery, minimizing maintenance. Combining smart design, customization, and quiet operation, the Logitech Signature Plus M750L stands out as a reliable productivity companion that enhances workflow and comfort for both office professionals and remote workers alike. Number 4. UtechSmart Venus Pro. The UtechSmart Venus Pro is a powerhouse wireless gaming mouse built to deliver speed, precision, and full customization. Designed for MMO and FPS gamers, it features 16 programmable buttons, including 12 ergonomically positioned thumb buttons for rapid access to complex commands and macros. With dual connectivity modes, 2.4 GHz wireless and wired USB, the Venus Pro ensures ultra-fast, stable performance without latency, giving gamers the freedom to play without interruptions. Its advanced PixArt PMW3335 optical sensor offers up to 16,000 dpi with 5 adjustable stages and a 1,000 Hz polling rate, ensuring precise tracking and smooth motion across any gaming surface. Customizable RGB lighting adds a vibrant touch, while UtechSmart's intuitive software lets users fine-tune sensitivity, macros, and lighting effects to match their gaming style. Built for comfort, it fits naturally in the hand for long gaming sessions without fatigue. Combining high-end performance, durability, and flexibility, the Venus Pro stands as one of the most feature-rich MMO gaming mice available, perfect for competitive players seeking control, customization, and power in one device. Number 5. Incase Mobile Mouse. The Incase mobile mouse, designed by Microsoft, offers the perfect balance of portability, comfort, and performance for modern professionals. Its slim, lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for laptops and tablets, fitting easily into any bag without adding bulk. Despite its compact build, it delivers smooth and precise navigation, ensuring that tasks like browsing, editing, and design work remain effortless. The scroll wheel provides fluid, responsive scrolling, enhancing overall productivity during extended use. Connecting via Bluetooth, this mouse eliminates the need for USB receivers, maintaining a clean and minimalist workspace while offering reliable wireless freedom. It pairs seamlessly with Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices, ensuring quick, lag-free operation. The contoured shape provides a natural hand position for improved comfort, even during long work hours. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, the Incase mobile mouse is built for convenience and reliability. It exemplifies simplicity and elegance while delivering the performance expected from a trusted Microsoft design. For users who prioritize portability, style, and smooth operation, this wireless mouse is an excellent choice that blends modern aesthetics with dependable, everyday functionality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.